Season is about to end and we want to get to 200k subscribers. Bafethu siyanicela, please subscribe. We are left with only 1 month. Can we do it? I believe we can. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, CS Galaxy 3. I'm joined by Hosiamina.
Sibos, uyayibona le ndebele.
Yeah.
Le ndebele.
Yeah.
Isaleli umfuke.
Yeah.
Ayenza umsebenzi wakhe.
Yeah.
Sifuna ukuthi le Mexico le asale khona.
Yeah.
Angabuyi.
Yeah.
Manje Saturday.
Yeah.
Umfukeni.
Yeah.
Uyoba top goal scorer.
Yeah.
Uyoba player of the season.
Yeah.
Player of the season.
Yeah.
Yonke lento le imele ubani umfukeni.
Yeah.
Amabhakaniya sengiyanitshela.
Yeah.
Anginibuzi.
Yeah.
Umsebenzi.
Yeah.
iTS Galaxy.
Yeah.
Uyenzile.
Yeah.
iKaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Isenzele.
Yeah.
Kusale nina. Uwadu. Ungazibhayizisi.
Yeah.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Siyacethelela.
Yeah.
From there sina them.
Yeah.
Mfukeni ngiyawisha kuwe mfana wami eMexico na indebe ngiyakupha.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Amen. Thank you.